solve each system of equation below if possible. If it is not possible, explain what is the lack of an algebraic solution that tells you about the graph of the equation. Write each solution in the form of x and y. Okay. So it's a like quite lengthy problem. What it is asking for is y equal to -2 minus y equal to -2x minus 1, then y equal to half x minus 16. Half x minus 16. So first of all, let's solve this. Okay, solve this and let me tell me the values of x and y.
Okay.
Then we will see that what happens.
Is x equal to 6 and y is equal to -13?
X equal to how much?
I got x is equal to 6.
And y equal to
-13.
-30.
No, 13. 13.
Okay, 13. This one.
Yeah.
Now, what you are supposed to make is the graph of it. So, do you know how to make the graph?
Yeah.
So, this is the. Yeah. So, how can you make the graph of this one, the above one? Y equal to -2x minus 1. So, I am just telling you some, not some tricks, but yeah, how you can make it fast. Okay. If you know it, that will be fine. Otherwise, see it. Okay. I'm just telling the easiest way possible. Okay. Just look that just put y is equal to 0. Okay. Putting y equal to 0, what x you will get here? -1/2. Fine. Similarly, by putting put x equal to 0, what you will get? You will get y equal to -1.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
So where is wherever is x -1/2 and y 0? Here?
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Where there is x equal to 0 and y equal to -1? Here?
Yeah.
Huh? Just connect the lines. Okay?
Okay.
This is your line. Similarly, here by putting y 0, what is your x? 32. Huh?
Yeah.
So it's basically somewhere here, 32, 0. By putting x 0, your y is -16. So I think it's somewhere here.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah.
So your line is like this. If this is my 32, 0, like this.
Yeah.
Huh? So this
Yeah.
is your point of interest. This one. This is your solution, na?
Yeah. Yeah.
This solution, what you told me, 6, -13. See it. This is in between 0 and 32. 6 is in between 0 and 32.
Yeah.
and minus 13 is in between 0 and minus 16.
Mm-hmm.
Somewhere here is minus 13, that is 0 comma minus 13. This is your solution. So they asked you for this, okay, by making graphs. So you have to tell the answer. That is fine. You told me the answer, but then by making graph also you have to tell. So if this much amount of work you have to do, maybe you can get some difficulty, or in some part you can crumble. Okay, so that's why I told you that the easiest way to just make the lines in the graph. Similarly, we have another problem here, which is this one. Now this is not the linear equation.
Yeah.
As of now, we have this linear equation.
Mm-hmm.
Now we don't have this linear equation. What we have this equation, y equal to x square plus 1 and y equal to minus x square. So you have y equal to x square plus 1 and y equal to minus x square. Now, first, as usual, tell me the values, tell me the solution.
Okay.
Then we will see how to make the graph. Because what happens, first you told me the by solving the both the equation, you just have solved those equations and told me this value. But they are asking that, yeah, you told this value, it's correct, but again tell the same values by graphical solution. So you have to plot it on the graph. No? Okay. So similarly, tell me here the solution first, then we will see the graphical solution.
Is there no solution? There's
First of all, we can do this.
Yeah.
Then 2x square equal to minus 1.
Mm-hmm.
So x square equal to minus half, which can't be possible.
Yeah.
So if we can't find x, then it doesn't have any corresponding y. If we have no x, then we have no y. If you have x, then only you can put it in the equation and can find y. No?
Yeah.
So mathematically, like by problem solving, we saw that okay, it doesn't have any solution. It means what? It should not cut in the graph. It should not cut like each other. Huh?
Yeah.
There the both lines are cutting. They are intersecting basically. Cutting means basically intersecting.
Um,
If they have intersection, then only it has solution.
Yeah.
But here it has it is supposed that these two can't have any intersection because we are getting that it has no solution. Huh?
Yeah.
So graphically, let's see what happens. Y equal to x square plus 1. Na?
Yeah.
How you can make the graph of it? So do you
First,
know making how to make this graph?
yeah.
Okay, tell me.
You find the x-intercepts and the y-intercepts.
Yeah. So how? Like tell me.
Like you put x is equal to 0 and like y is equal to 0 and find the value.
Okay, so you are using this one. This one.
Yeah. And then after that, you have to find another value to see the curve.
Yeah, exactly. Because this I told you, and this is a very good approach just in the case of linear solution. Huh? Okay, this is in the
Okay.
case of lines. But if you have some complex graph, then you can't use it. Okay, this is a quadratic form. Huh? In this, if I can tell you some helpful tips, then it can be like that. See, y equal to x square plus 1.
Yeah.
Hmm? Just go on with my thinking process. Okay, you can get the idea that how to make the graph of it. Don't make the graph of the entire one. Just first make the graph of this one. Okay, getting my point?
Yeah.
Why I am saying this, I will tell you later. So if you have to just draw the graph of y equal to x square, now how you can do this? So you can think of that it means what? Either positive x or negative x, whichever you will put, you will get the same y.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is a like okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So if you will put the negative x or the positive x, definitely it should be the same value, either in the negative quantity or in the positive one, but it will yield you the same y. Huh?
Yeah.
So let's say a y value is here. Definitely it has this x and this x minus x. On both, it should have the same value.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fine. And on 0, both have the value 0.
Yeah.
So this is 0 comma 0.
Yep.
Just connect this. Huh? Just connect this. This is your y equal to x square, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
See, for any y, you have corresponding two x's. One is the positive one is the negative. This is our idea.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, what you have to do? So, okay, just take any x, put any x. Take a value, take a value of x.
2,
2, fine. What your y will be?
4. Yep.
4, fine. Now, if you have this entire thing, what we have, y equal to x square plus 1. So, putting 2 means what y you will get here?
5.
5. Means what is happening here?
It's like adding by 1, like
Yeah,
50.
exactly. And adding 1 in which value?
Y.
Y. Okay, fine. So it means what? Your and your this curve is your y curve. Huh?
Yeah.
So basically, just shift it. Just shift it 1 unit. If this is 1, then what it means that your curve is going from here. Instead of 0, 0, your curve is going from 0, 1.
Yeah.
Just 1 unit shift. Okay. So this blue curve is your y equal to x square plus 1. Got my point? How to make the graph?
Yeah.
I think this idea you have not followed before.
Yeah.
If you have to make y equal to x square plus 1, don't go from directly from like by putting intercepts and by looking for people. What people used to do, people used to take the intercepts, then they will take the slope out of it, then we'll see that where the curve is going. But we don't need to do all these things if we can if we can uh, do it in a easier way. Okay.
Okay.
Even if similarly, if I can tell you that now take the graph of 4x square minus 3. How you can do this? Again, no need to solve the entire thing. Just take y equal to x square. It means what? This one? This one, na? Hello?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I am telling that again, we have to make the graph of this. Y equal to 4x square minus 3. But before going to this, again, we are starting from y equal to x square. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Now, what next? What should be our next step after that?
Move it down by like 3 units.
Multiplying it by 4.
Oh, yeah.
So it's basically 4 times up.
Oh,
Isn't
yeah.
it? So
Mhm.
from here, we are moving to somewhere here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Where is this? Like, where is this? No, not here. Sorry. Oh my God. Not here. We are just increasing the values by 4 times. We are not shifting it. Because see, on 0 again, you get the 0.
Yeah. Yeah.
Before in y equal to x square or in y equal to 4x square, what is the difference if here is also 0, 0 and here is also 0, 0? Isn't it? On both the
Yeah.
values, if you places
The size
x0,
becomes.
yeah, the size will change, na? So what it is, what it happens here, like if you put by just take the example now, y equal to x square and y equal to 4x square. Just take the example.
Okay.
So you put here y equal to, you put here 4. Okay, it means your x is equal to how much? 2 comma minus 2.
Yeah. Yeah.
You put here 4. It means your x is equal to what? 1 comma minus 1.
Yeah.
Huh? So here, if you have to get 4, it means this is your minus 2 and this is your plus 2. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Uh, Not in this curve. Let me make this in this one. So this is your 4. This is your minus 2 and this is your plus 2. Fine.
Okay.
Now, in the another one, in the y equal to 4x square, on minus 1 only, you will get this. It means the curve got down like this. Okay.
Okay.
So its minus 2 is somewhere here and plus 2 is somewhere here. Its minus 1 is here where its minus 2 lies. And getting the idea?
Yeah.
So, okay. So let me again tell. This is not exactly this way. Sorry. The minus 2 is here and plus 2 is here always. The Cartesian plane is fixed, na?
Yeah. Yeah.
Here you have minus 1 and here you have plus 1. Huh? But what happened? The curve is not like this. Actually, I made it wrong. That's why it's not. Let me draw it again. What the idea is, we have to get 4 on minus 1. So this is minus 1. Sorry, this is plus 1 and this is minus 1. Huh? Here we get the value, let's say this is 4 or this one is 4. Okay,
Okay.
here we got. Now, if we draw the another one, another curve, and we have to get the values on minus 2. So it's like here. On plus 2,
Yeah.
it's like here. So it's a curve like this one. So yeah, now see what is happening. This is y equal to x square and this is y equal to 4x square. So the curve is getting like this.
It gets smaller.
Yeah, it not smaller. It gets steeper.
Okay.
Huh? Not
Okay.
not
Yeah.
getting the point. See,
I get it.
from 0 to 4, if you have to go, then you have to traverse in x-axis 0 to 2. But instead of
Yeah.
going to 0 to 2, now you have to go only 0 to 1.
Yeah, I get it.
So the curve is getting steeper, and you can go as faster as you can, isn't it?
Yeah.
So if y equal to 4x square, it means the curve will get steep. So the curve got steep first. Now what will happen? Now you have to do -3 part.
Yeah. So you go
So,
down by 3.
yeah, very good. So now just you have to take it -3 here.
Yeah.
That much. And this is your y equal to 4x square -3. Now we are supposed to see this one, this entire thing, this one. So now
Yeah.
coming on our question, y equal to x square plus 1, and similarly minus x square, these two things.
Yeah.
So y equal to x square plus 1 is which one? This one? This one?
Yeah.
And y equal to minus x square means what?
It's like upside down.
Upside down, and this one is this one.
Yeah. Yeah.
And see, they can't intersect anyway,
Okay.
isn't it? Its
Yeah.
minimum point is 1, and its maximum is 0. How can they cut now in this curve? They can't cut,
No.
isn't it?
Yeah.
So they can't have any solution. So graphically, by this way, you have to make it. And
Okay.
obviously, apart from this, I told you this just for your like basic idea that it will help you whenever you play with the graphs. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, this is the idea basically, to see the graph, because if you can't see the graph in your later stage, you will then you will not understand, and if you will not understand it, then it will be a bitter cumbersome to follow the process. Because in graphs, if you have if you have been asked, let's say, if I can make you 4 options and ask you that from y equal to x square to y equal to 4x square, what is happening? Graph is getting broader, graph is getting narrower, graph is going up or going down, or whatever the maybe 4 options, then you will gonna collapse there if you will not get the idea, isn't it?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so seeing the graph is very important, like what is happening with it. So the best idea is, generally, if you can't get the idea of the graph, just put the values. By putting some values, see what is happening there, isn't it? Like what I did,
Yeah.
I just put the values here. I put 4, and then I saw, okay, so this is the entire thing, what is happening, isn't it?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So this is this problem.